We didn't talk anything about the clicker earlier in the beginning stages, but now you need to know that the clicker is a very important tool. There are two reasons for the clicker. One is making sure you have a consistent draw length, but the most critical part of the clicker is it tells you when to let go. Now that may sound simple, but in the beginning stages, many people just pull up, they aim, and they let go automatically. But then eventually what happens is mentally you want to let go, but you're not sure. So then all of a sudden you fight. This clicker eliminates that. You don't think about it, you just hear the click, you let go. Now, in order to be able to do that consistently, you have to make sure that you have developed a good, consistent draw length. What we're looking for with the clicker is making sure that as you draw, it continuously moves to this level here, and then when it clicks, you can shoot. The best way to learn to use a clicker is going about 5 feet from the target, get very close to the bail, and watch the clicker. You pull up and look at the clicker and watch the motion. Keep the motion going. When it clicks, you execute. You do that a couple of thousand shots, and chances are you'll do better and be more consistent than you've ever been before.